going on, YouTube? Welcome back. Today we're going to put some custom Dynamics fillers in the openings next to the fenders, in between the fenders and the saddlebags, because I do a lot of riding at night and that's just not enough light for me. So let me show you how to do it. Alright guys, look how nice these come wrapped up when you take them out. They're all bubble wrapped really well. Got clear plastic over the outside there to make sure it doesn't get scratched. 131 LEDs in each one. That's pretty bright. And then something they didn't do when I bought this kit in 15 for my Ultra Limited, this used to be a whole bunch of clips you had to tie into. Now it's pre-wired, so much better, guys. If you've not seen these fillers out on a bike, they're way brighter than the Harley-Davidson lights. I can't compare them to the Zero 3D lights. I've not seen them yet, but I know these work well, so that's why I bought them. Alright guys, so you're going to want to use some kind of rubbing alcohol or ammonia-based, cleaner. Oh yeah, no product endorsement. But yeah, Windex, glass cleaner. Clean all the chrome up, then we'll use the adhesion promoter and stick the lights in. So on the back, 3M adhesive. Rub the adhesive to activate it. I didn't know this until recently. I seen it in a John Maxwell video. But I do know that the ones that were on these lights that I put on my 15 and on my 19, I could not get off. So these are kind of one of the things that you definitely won't be taking with you if you trade your bike in. Did you hear that click? That's how you know they're in there. Alright, so you take the wire and you wire tie it to the loops. Put 2 wire ties around the stud for the shocks. Another wire tie here. Then we'll route it up under the chrome piece to bring it out right here. Alright, so this part right here really shows how easy this kit is. With the adapters given to you from Custom Dynamics, you simply unplug your trunk, plug in their wire, reconnect everything, and it is as simple as that. I'm going to plug one side in and check and make sure that I got the right side working. Yep, it really is that easy, guys. The side that it's facing is the side it goes to. Now we just button up the wires. Alright guys, so there you have it. Custom Dynamics. Can't say enough about them. Probably better, yeah, because it's reflecting on the lens. But yeah, can't say enough about them, man. I put these on all my Harleys. I got Custom Dynamics, you know, front turn signals with halos. Yeah, check them out, man. I will. Alright guys, so I've never done it before, but I'm going to try to put a product link below. If I don't, well, you understand I'm not good with computers. But Custom Dynamics Fillerz, definitely a must-have if you ride at night on a limited. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already and you want to be one of the 10s, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Just curious how many comments are going to come in that I shaved. We'll see.